for. I have placed my whole intention in one verse, how it might be worth more of song than any I ever made. And it can be that the little song would be better learned if I wanted to make it, but singing turns into frivolity. And a verse, if one knew how to make it well, truly seems as if it should be worth more. So I want to demonstrate my knowledge in it. Love kills me so much it is kindled in me. Grievous to me is the hardship and the trouble in which it has placed me. I have lost all enjoyment and gaiety from it, and if ever I had joy, now I know not what it is. Of my lady I ponder night and day, my lady whom I have said I call mine. I can say it since it comes to my pleasure, but she does not want nor deign to retain me. I looked ill upon her worth and her high rank when I sought her, so I was a foolish thing, and I was truly ripe for a sweet frankness. She showed me with which she snared and seized me. Nobly she invited me and laughed to me when I went and came. Now she has turned me to such neglect that she scarcely even deigns to see me. I will never believe that I would not have conquered her if I were worth so much that she should love me. Truly I am a fool then, for I love her even though it troubles her. I will leave you, lady, I cannot, but of one thing I would beg you, that it not be grievous to you if it did not please you. For nothing can move from my heart the desire that I have so much in my power. The great beauty of her and her uprightness, there is no one who could praise it too much. And what is it worth to me if she is worthy and courtly? For I die for her and no mercy seizes her for me. Truly I am a fool, for I would find another lady who would love me. Now I know that the proverb speaks the truth. Always does a man want what he cannot have. Of love I complain, but of our Marquesa I am very sorrowful, because violence takes her from us. Through her joy and prowess are maintained, for she is the best lady that one ever knew. And I do not believe there is another in the world who knows so much of courtliness, for her worth can scarcely be contained in the world, for every day it increases, and she does not let it fall. The verse is made, whoever may learn it. Lord PEIROL wants it to be known, in viands where worth cannot fall, for the Marquesa makes it be well maintained there.